This is my Yorkie pudding, and in some cases we need to put her in a crate just because maybe we're leaving the house and I want to make sure that she's not going to get into anything, or she does like to rip her toys in some cases, and she also likes to use the restroom on the carpets. So in some cases we might need to just put her away. So this was actually sent to me for review. Really excited to take a look. So let's get out of the box and see what's inside. This is how it comes packaged, and it is a little bit heavy. So my recommendation is just to have somebody help you to bring it inside the house. Here it is out of the package. And I love how nicely it folds up, because that's going to make it really easy when you're not using it to just store it so that it's out of the way, and it does fold up really nicely. So you do have an engineered wood on here, which is beautiful. And then you also have the metal pieces as well. They do also include this bag of hardware, so this will be great in putting the knobs on, and you do have the screws included as well. You can see here that it also includes an instruction manual, but this is super small because it looks like you don't really have to put it together. You just mainly want to unfold it, but it does show you the hardware that needs to go on, which are just going to be the handles on there, but it does come with the screws, and I like that it even includes a screwdriver. Everything is labeled on here super nicely, so you're going to be able to tell exactly what piece is for what. So here's what it looks like so far, and again, super easy. I just literally had to unfold it. There's really no construction or assembly that you need on this. And then here's the top part. It just goes and covers that nicely, and then the bottom part, you just want to pull it down so that it sets nicely here. But this is going to be great. Again, I have a Yorkie. She's not super big, so this is a lot of room for her. She'll have a lot of room to go back and forth. I can put maybe a water bowl in here as well. And then you have the doors here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the hardware on there, and I will check back in. So here it is put together, and I think it looks so beautiful. I think this would fit any aesthetic. We have like a farmwood aesthetic here, but I love the industrial look of the metal on here. I think it's really cool. It is durable. It is chew proof. It is rust proof. So the quality on this can't be beat. I like that you can also lock it. So you have these here that are just going to make it to where if the dog is kind of playing with it or messing with it, you have two different locks. You have the bottom locks here, and then you have the top locks here. You can see these also, you have one of these on either side, and these are additional locks as well, just to make sure that, again, the dog's not going to be able to get out from either side, either the sides, the top, or also the doors here in the front. When you are done with it, it folds up super nicely and super thin, so you can put it away. Maybe you're putting it under a bed or under a couch or somewhere that it's out of the way. I love how portable it is, but it's beautiful enough so it could honestly be a permanent piece in your home, just because, again, the metal's beautiful, the engineered wood's beautiful. It does look very, very good. Okay, so here is Pudding. So again, she's my Yorkie. She's about 10 pounds, and you can see that there's a lot of room to spare. I just put a blanket on the bottom to make sure she's nice and comfortable, but she has a lot of room in there. And again, you want to make sure that they have enough room to turn around. And then I also have a little bowl. You can see there in the back corner, I do have a little bowl of water just in case she gets thirsty. So I think this will be a really good spot to put her, again, if we're leaving the house and we want to make sure that she's going to be safe and secure and not getting into anything. I think this is nice and roomy. I'm going to give you a view here of the side so you can just see how much space she has in there. Hi, Pudding. Good girl, Pudding. So final thoughts on this, I think it is going to be perfect. I'm so excited to have one of these because, again, we didn't really have a spot for her. And so when we would come back, in some cases she ripped her toys, or, she was using the bathroom on the floor. So I think this is going to be a really, really good solution to have a place that she can go that we can make sure that she is safe and secure. It is durable. The construction on this is great. And again, super easy to construct, and you do have the ability to fold it up if you're not using it anymore.